This is the Mantis here, and we are looking at this cheap Strat, $49 Strat. It's a very cheap block here, and we have some springs that, what we're doing is we're going to take these strings out and we're going to pack them. As you can see, I got some packing plastic here that I filled this spring with, so when this comes out of tension, it's not going to have this tinny, thin sound, which also just makes a hollow kind of sound. Now, if you like that sound, this is not for you. What I'm doing here is not going to give you more sustain or affect anything like that, but it is going to give a little warmer tone to the guitar and remove some of this rattling of the springs. Again, if that's something that you like, don't do this. But for those of us that are looking to get rid of that, the best way to do it is with a little bit of some scissors and a little bit of this packing plastic, and we're just going to pack these springs just like so. You can always put a string end in here, like you've cut off some old strings, and just use it like a hook on a worm on a hook, and just pull it right through, and then trim this to size if you want. So there you go. There you have it. We'll see what it sounds like afterward. We'll get these packed and show you an after video. All right.